see the white in it right there? That's a deadly one. He's picking up a deadly one. That one, if it stuck you, that has a venom that will paralyze you. So, and he's in the water. I might have to talk to him after, but that one is. Yeah, he knows right now. Oh, there's an eel actually. He pulled out an eel for us. There's that red. Little eel. Yeah. And they get bigger than that. Way bigger. The other day I seen one that was as big as my arm, which is not that big, but it's pretty big. On a shell. That's just doing a great job. Give it up for Gabe, the diver. And I'm thinking of a call shell. Yeah. Because they tend during the evening they come out of it and they go and eat and then they come back to the shell. We're not allowed to take those out of the water without it not, if it has a creature inside, we're not allowed to take it out. Because they're so rare.